Hey everyone! So you've racked up some cash on Dollartub, but can you actually withdraw it? Let's investigate this withdrawal process and see if it's legit. Spoiler alert, there might be some bumps on the road. Step 1. Finding the withdrawal option. There's not much info on Dollartub about withdrawals. We'll have to dig around in the app. Look for a section like Wallet or Earnings. If you find a withdraw button, great, but proceed with caution. Step 2. Uncovering the minimum threshold. Many reviews report a hidden catch, a super high minimum withdrawal amount, often around $100. This means you'll need to watch a ton of videos before even attempting to cash out. Step 3. Choosing your withdrawal method. Dollartub might offer options like PayPal or bank transfer. However, be wary. Some users report these methods might not actually work. Step 4. The big question, does it work? The truth is, there's very little evidence of successful withdrawals from Dollartub. Many online reviews suggest it might be difficult, if not impossible, to actually get your money. Before spending too much time on Dollartub, consider this. Is it worth the risk? There are more reliable ways to make money online. Thanks for watching.